A very good morning to all of you. How are you? I welcome you all to a new day. So kids, we are here to start with one more new interesting chapter. Today we are going to learn chapter number 12, sorting and patterns. Now kids, in your earlier classes, you remember you all had done patterns, simple pattern, complex pattern. Now, ma'am has drawn a circle, a triangle, a circle, a triangle, a circle. Now what will come next? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, so triangle will come. This is known as pattern when you are following a pattern. Okay. Now I will say that you have to follow the sequence of this pattern. So what is the sequence? A circle and the triangle. This is the sequence of this pattern. Understood? Okay. Okay kids. So this was a pattern with shapes. Now we can have patterns with numbers also. Now everyone, look what ma'am is writing. Here this is, you can see pattern of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. What common thing did you find? Yes, these all are multiple of 2s. It is table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Yes. This is one more pattern. Okay. Now I will show you one more pattern with numbers. Okay. Now kids, you can see ma'am has written few numbers on the board. 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. Now you have to find out that what is this pattern. You know counting? Yes. So this is 2 2s are 4. What will come after 2? 3. 3 3s are 9. What comes after 3? 4. 4 4s are 16. Very good. Then 5 5s are 25. 6 6s are 36. Which number comes after 6? 7. So what is your next number going to be? 7 7s are 49. So this is one more interesting pattern. I hope you have understood it. So come on kids. Now let's solve practice zone 1. Every one of you, please go and get your maths discovering book. In this kids, please open page number 149. Page number 149. We will solve practice zone 1. Okay kids. Now here you can see, draw the sequence or order of the following patterns. Now here in A, what you can see? A square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. So what is the sequence of this order? It is square and triangle. Understood? Now we will solve the B1. In B1 what you can see? Square and a moon, a crescent moon, you can see the shape. Similarly, square and a crescent. So what is the pattern? Square and a crescent moon. Understood? Okay kids, now let's look at C. It's a circle, a wheel and a circle. What is the pattern which you can see? Circle, wheel, circle. Circle, wheel, circle. Circle, wheel, circle. You got the pattern? So what is the sequence of the pattern? It's a circle, a wheel and a circle. This is the sequence of the pattern. Okay. What's the pattern? 2 star circle. 2 stars circle. So what is the pattern? 2 stars and a circle. This is the sequence. This is the order. Now kids, what it is saying? Draw the similar pattern with some other shape. You have to draw the similar kind of pattern using some other shapes. So let's use triangle. 2 triangle, 1 square. 2 triangle, 1 square. Okay, we have done the same pattern. Instead of star, we have drawn triangle, and instead of circle, we are drawing a square. So it is the same pattern. It is the same sequence. So it is a similar pattern with different shapes. Understood? Okay. So kid, this activity you have to do in your maths copy, because here there is no space. So this work you are going to do in your maths copy. I will be sending you the PDF for the same. Okay kids, after you finish with practice zone 1, then go and get your maths observation part 2. In that, open page number 1 for 14. Okay. Here there are some more patterns. You have to look at the pattern and you have to draw the sequence. As you can see, there is a sign. Now kids, here you can see there is a sign of addition, multiplication sign and an addition sign. This is the pattern which you can see. Addition, multiplication, addition. So what is the sequence of the pattern? It is a sign of a cross, addition sign, and it is a sign of a multiplication. Again, this is the addition sign. So this is the sequence of the pattern. Okay. So similarly kids, you have to draw the sequence. You have to draw the order. Now kids, here in question number 2, use the order of the pattern given to make a new pattern. Now here you can see there is one happy smiley and a sad smiley. So how are you going to draw? Happy smiley, sad smiley, happy smiley, sad smiley. Understood? Now in B you can see arrows. One arrow, it is showing direction. Okay? So similarly, you have to see the direction, and one is showing upward and this is side. So first it will come side and then upward. This is the way you are going to complete the pattern. Okay? I will be sending you the PDF. Now kids, let's move on to question number 3. Observe the following number patterns carefully and complete the patterns. It is 1, 4, 7, 10. What comment did you find? It is skip counting by 3 numbers. 1 is there, then 2, 3, 4 is written. 5, 6, 7 is there. 7, then after 7, 8, 9, 10. Now after 10, 11, 12 and 13. So what is the next number going to be? 13, then 14, 15 and 16, then 17, 18, 19. So what pattern did we follow over here? It is skip counting by 3. Similarly kids, here 2, 9, 16, 23. Here you can see there is difference of 7 numbers. After 2 start counting when 9 comes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What is the difference of 7 numbers? So here you have to do skip counting by 7. Similarly, you have to see the pattern and do this. Now we move on to sum number C. It is 99, 89, 79, 69. What pattern you can see is being followed? Yes, there is a skip count by 10, but it is reverse counting. As you can see, first 99 is there, then 89, So you have to, yes, go backward by 10 numbers. So here 69. So what will come? 59, 49, 39. Similarly, kids, here also you can see there is a pattern in which backward counting by 5 number you can see. 105, 100, 95, 90. So what you are going to write here? Yes, 85, 80, 75. Understood? Okay, kids. Now we are going to move on question number 4. Observe the pattern carefully and find the missing numbers. Here you can see there is table of 5. 5, 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, then 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. So this is, you can see that the pattern was table of 5 and the missing numbers we have filled in. Similarly, kids, you are going to complete this table. Now we move on to question number 5. Complete the following pattern. First, study the pattern carefully. Now, kids, what you can see? A1 is 80, 95. How many numbers different you can find? 80 and 95? Yes, it's a number of 15 numbers difference is there. Then after 95 and 110, again 15 number difference is there. So you are going to complete this pattern by skipping 15 numbers. Understood? Similarly, kids, you have to solve this. You have to first analyze the pattern, what pattern it is, and then you have to complete. I will be sending you the PDF for the same. Okay, kids, after you complete this, then again go and get your maths discovering book and open page number 150. Kids, here you have to solve practice zone 2. You have to see the number pattern, that what it is, and accordingly you have to fill the columns. Okay, kids, so this is enough for the day. Now we will meet in our next class. Till then, you take good care of yourselves. Bye bye. Take care.